So you might have seen recently that Kaley Cuoco had a bachelorette party. I was one of the women who threw it, along with some other awesome women. But one of my jobs was to put together the goodie bag. So I reached out to all my buddies and I stole one. I kept an extra one. It's actually mine, so I'm giving you mine. And I thought that we would give it away. Kaley Cuoco's bachelorette goodie bag, giving it away. So the bag is from Ban.do and it says, "Everything is gonna be okay." That is so true. So let's see what's gonna make it even better. Better than okay. First of all, we have, from Benefit, Bad Gal Lash. 36-hour full blast volume, honey! Lano for dry lips. I love you, Lano dry lips. From Thrive Causemetics, a lip topper named Glinda, the Good Witch. Another Lanolips. This is the multi-purpose super balm. What? Beauty blender. You can't have anything in life unless you have a beauty blender. Dude, beauty blender. Duh, duh, and more duh. Masque bar gold foil. You're my dream. This is a thin layer of oil peel mask onto the skin. It looks really cool and makes you look really thin. Well, it makes you look pretty and hydrated. Lancome Ombre Hypnose Stylo, a long wear cream eyeshadow stick in bronze. One of my faves. Dude, this is the holy grail, a blush bar. A blush bar from Benefit. People, this is $145 right here. Perfect Pair Treatment Mask, Nature Lab. Meow! Benefit Gimme Brow in number 3, a universal flattering shade. More mask bar, rose gold foil peel off mask sample, travel size. Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. Don't get it twisted. So wow, what a grand total. I mean, this is quite a giveaway, people. And you get the bag and you get all this goodie stuff, and I'm gonna send it to the winner. If you enter on Instagram, you're gonna tag a friend and you're gonna follow me, Jamie Makeup. If you enter on YouTube, you're going to comment below and tell me what video I should make next. And if I pick your video, not only will I make it, your comment I mean, and not only will I make the video, but you'll also be getting this handy dandy Ban.do bag full of goodies from Kaley's bachelorette party. What? So comment below, subscribe, enter, tell a friend, pass the video on. Have a fabulous week, and I'll see you soon. Bye!